I'm a personal chef. I love to help people and use my creativity. My website is alliecooks.com. I wrote a cookbook called Seasonal Farmers Market Favorites. As a personal chef, I customize the menu, do the grocery shopping, prepare the meals, and provide the reheating directions. I love to see the finished product and help my clients get through their week easier.